Here's what we like, chapter 27, continuing on with comparatives and superlatives, getting some irregulars now. And so you can find this on page 218. So the first few sets, like facilus, deficilus, and so forth, those are very simple. They just have, in their superlatives, they have illimus, so facilimus, most easy, instead of facissimus. So the S there slides into the L. So those forms are there on page 218. Likewise, when all the ER adjectives, they have erimus instead of issimus. So those are very simple irregulars. They're not really irregulars at all. It's just governed by how S's just kind of slide into the L's and the R's, and they just something to keep in mind. The real irregulars are on page 219. So just as in English we have good, better, best instead of good, gooder, and goodest, so also in Latin you've got bonus, good, melior, better, and optimus, best. And you've also got magnus, big, maior, bigger, and maximus, biggest. And so you can look those over. You need to make flashcards of those, treat them like vocabulary terms. And then the only form to keep track of is this, are the forms of plus, which is a very special adjective, meaning more. So plures amici can mean more or many friends. Plus pecuniae means more of money. So it's very often used with a partitive genitive. So plus pecuniae, that's a genitive ending. So more of money. Or in English we just say more money, but they use the genitive. Plus pecuniae, more of money. In the singular, it's only used for neuter nouns. There's its declension. Note there's no form for the dative. In the plural, it's used for both masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns. And again, the endings are pretty straightforward, what you would expect. Ace, ibis, ace, ibis. Whoops, there we go. So really, this lesson is simply a continuation of chapter 26. We'll do, make your flashcards for the vocabulary as well on page 220. And we'll do translation 1 when you have had a day to get the rest of the chapter under your belt.